Super excited to have you review this video today. Guys, I want to be short, brief, to the point, and bring you some quick information. Guys, I want to appreciate all of you for viewing the video. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. And guys, hit the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you will be one of the first to know. Hey guys, you're about to discover a system, a brand new website system that does not require the internet, folks. There's no selling, there's no telling, there's no explaining, there's no calling. Folks, if you can mail a postcard or flyer, you can earn unlimited income in this program. Guys, we got a program that delivers unlimited $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 payments, cash payments, checks or money orders to the comfort of your home. And folks, again, remaining consistent, guys, you can win in these programs. Look at this beautiful website, guys. This thing is converting at about about 47%. Meaning, guys, that 47 out of 100 people who come to this website put in their email address, and the system follows up. Guys, we have at least 15 autoresponder messages that go out every other day. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer is absolutely rocking and rolling. I'm going to show you proof of what came in today. Priority mail came in just today. And let me cover up this person's information, and we'll go from there. I'll show you the proof that came in on today. Guys, again, remaining consistent, guys. You can create financial freedom sitting at the comfort of your home. So exciting to do this kind of stuff, guys. And we're stoked to bring it to you. This is the priority mail package. And you see, this was dated on 7/29. 7/29. Let's jump in there and see. But before that, guys, I want to talk about one program you guys have been asking me about, the other program that we're running, Instant Postcard Wealth, guys. This thing still continues to deliver its $98 payments on a daily basis. You just had another payment delivered on yesterday, and super excited about that, guys. This is a way, guys, you can create freedom in your home, guys. I've signed over, this right here is a 5-figure per month income for me with just mailing cheap postcards with this program. So, you know, guys, I'm in this program for several years, and it's one of my main income drivers. This payment came in, let's see. Let's grab this thing. Yep, this payment came in 16 hours ago. You received a payment straight. It comes straight into your PayPal account, guys. And we'll go down to the bottom. Another rebill is going to come in August the 30th. So, guys, it's a monthly rebill on the Instant Postcard Wealth. The product is, guys, you can be able to market this program, and you can be able to receive unlimited $98 payments straight to your PayPal. And, guys, with the Instant Postcard Wealth program, it teaches you how to effectively market this program, this business. And that is truly, truly exciting when you do that. So we'll go from there. All right, let's go over to this other, the Millionaire Mailer. Here we go, the Millionaire Mailer. All right, the Millionaire Mailer. What will you do with all the free time in the world when you have a life without stress and all your money problems are over? Yeah, and guys, with the you get a website that looks just like this. It has proof video on it. Beautiful website, guys. You can mail postcards with it. It explains the program, and when people get ready to partner with you, guys, they can choose whatever level they want to partner with you. Of course, to get the website, guys, you need to be at the level $100 or higher in order to get a access to this website. And whenever they click onto the site, it'll bring up the flyer that they want to join, and they can print it off and they can join. Why you should be excited. And proof pics. We're on Sam Randall's video, guys, and Sam Randall has some great proof on his website. Of course, you'll have your proof. You'll have proof on the site also. We have proof that everybody uses, some generic proof, until you get your own proof, and we'll go from there. Very exciting. So this site absolutely works and converts. Let's take and go down a little further. Okay. But yep, that's how the site looks, and this is your capture page. So Let's show you guys what happens coming today in the Millionaire Mailer. Again, this was came in this morning, 7:29. Pause the video, and you can check out that tracking number. So open it right in front of your eyes, guys. I'm going to keep this video kind of short, guys, because I'm pressed for time. As you can see, I'm not really going into detail with the video, but I want to show you what came in. Big welcome to Mr. Cooper, to Matt. Matt, welcome to the program if you're watching the video. He joined the Millionaire Mailer 6, the $1,000 level. Congratulations to our member that made the $1,000 sale. And 10 sale marketing, $500. Well, let's see what Matt put in here for his payment. Here we go, guys. There's $500 cash that he sent in on today. So welcome, Matt, to the program. We're going to rush your marketing kit to you, and we're going to rush you the information, get the website going, and so that you can get started rocking and rolling. Hey guys, this is a terrific system. We're super excited, super stoked to have you view this video. And all of our new members that are coming along, guys, you can mail postcards with this system. Postcards are 35 cents. And again, this system, it converts. When people come again to the website, they'll put in their email address. It's going to take them to the landing page. The landing page is going to look something like this, guys. It's going to look something like this. And it's going to have this video on it. This video has all kinds of proof, all kinds of testimonials. And these testimonials, this video proof, absolutely converts. When you get a chance, guys, go to the video, watch the video several times, and it will get you excited about what is possible with direct mail. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer, we're positioning ourselves as we are going into August, around August the 15th. Mail order begins to explode. And actually this summer, we haven't seen not one slowdown in mail order. Actually, it has picked up. So we're excited about new members that are coming aboard. Sam Randall has a conference call on, we're on Sam's site. Sam Randall has a call every Thursday night, 9 p.m. This is in addition to the conference call right here. We have a conference call right here. There's Sam Randall. And we have a conference call right here every Tuesday night. Sam has a conference call every Thursday night. And you can contact Sam, get a hold of him, message him on Facebook, and we'll go from there. So guys, if you enjoy the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Super excited about the Millionaire Mailer. Brand new, welcome to our brand new member. I think Cam joined with us in the instant postcard. Welcome, Cam, to the program. Super excited to have you aboard the program. Cam Harris. And we'll go from there. So guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.